Welcome to today's daily message. We all know how difficult it has been to live in isolation during this time of pandemic and during this time of stay-at-home orders. We may be living with family or we may not, but we certainly have had less contact with friends, perhaps with family, and with other loved ones. But just because we live in isolation does not mean that we have to be alone. We can experience what our Catholic faith calls solitude, that experience of being alone, but of being at peace with ourselves and with the world. And so for many of the days of this week, I'd like to present for your thought and reflection some of the Catholic Church's most outstanding mystics, those people who have taught us how to live in solitude and how to even minister in solitude, to reach out to the world, even in the midst of isolation. So today I offer the name Meister Eckhart, someone whom you may or may not have heard of before. Meister Eckhart is from, or was from, Germany. He lived during the 13th century. He was a theologian, he was a philosopher, and he was a mystic, someone who had direct experience of God. He was a member of the Dominican order, the order of preachers. But despite his greatness, he was accused of heresy and brought before, believe it or not, the Inquisition. He died apparently before a verdict could be reached on his guilt or innocence. I want to offer just a couple of quotes from Meister Eckhart, which may be of help to us at this time. Here's the first one. Nothing in all creation is so like God as stillness. Wisdom consists in doing the next thing you have to do, doing it with your whole heart, and finding delight in doing it. And finally, if the only prayer you ever say in your entire life is thank you, it will be enough. Thank you for watching and listening today.